We're finally doing the... My phone fell. I said we're finally doing the rear brake pads. Okay, remember the other day we were gonna use the Chevy SS... calipers. We were gonna use the Chevy SS calipers. Now we're gonna use the Camaro ones.
So the fucking red one was wrong. It had it's the same mounting points, but the problem is that the red one basically was like here, mounted like that, right?
Yeah.
You see like the gap and the brakes and everything lined up. I mean, it kind of lined up, but it wasn't gonna be right. But now with this one. Now this one, you see?
Oh, that's what you meant.
You see like the gap,
Sorry.
the gap of the, well, basically it wearing down the same.
You know what I thought you meant?
What?
I thought you meant this gap.
Like from here to here?
No, inside.
Oh no.
I'm so stupid.
No,
But you meant literally here, because you
Okay.
need the pad to be on it.
Yeah, to wear down here. Because if not, it's just gonna wear
Yeah.
down the last piece. Like
And
this
it's
piece.
not gonna be right.
It's not gonna be right, yeah.
Damn.
and
Which
then
Camaro is this one to then?
The one after yours.
The 6th
6th
gen?
Yeah.
And the other one, what was that one?
That one was actually from my old SS.
Oh, the Chevy SS.
Yeah, the Chevy SS.
Okay.
That caliper.
And the Camaro one actually fits right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know.
Okay.
So it's just that. But we're gonna obviously paint
Painting them.
Yeah, we gotta get them painted. So we'll have that done here.
And
like that.
Wow. Okay. This.
Yeah.
Ni yo con estas pinches uñas. Look, they're blue. We want to go get some brake pads for the rear. Because aunque está puesto, no tiene nada. Wow.
No more blue.
Wow. No, it's going to go away like one
5
day.
seconds.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah.
Nah, one day. Not that fast. Nah, yeah.
Probably
Right away, yeah. Look. I'll show y'all the bracket. Look how nice it looks. Se mira como factory shit. It looks nice. Only thing I wish,
What?
personally,
Yeah.
because your shit is all red, that they would give you, that they would let you choose the color of these.
Oh, could probably paint it.
Nah, there's no point. It's
So
in the
why?
back. I like, even if it's things that no one can really see, I like it to be like
Same color?
same color. Yeah.
Makes sense.
I just think like that. That'd be weird. But it looks good. No lie. I'm trying to look at it like both. Pero no alcanzo ver. Hey, but that means you're going to have a baby rotor in the back?
Well, it's always a little bit smaller in the back than the front.
Okay. I thought you could have big rotors in both.
They have to are a little bit bigger.
But it's not going to be that big of a difference?
Yeah,
So it's kind of pointless?
It's not going to be like that. I'm scared.
Why?
I don't know.
Well, lower the truck. It's too high up.
Yeah. Cálmate, alta.
No, I just have common sense, okay? Kidding. That is common sense, actually, for real. ¿Se va a caer todo el fluid?
Yeah.
¿Con todo el caliper?
No.
Oh, no, porque tiene gancho.
Yeah.
Ya me cansé de mentirte. Ya no la loca. I need to shut the fuck up. ¿Qué? Ni salió casi nada.
Shit. That's not the problem. That's not why
What's the problem? Feel it? It feels kind of forced. No? It's just too hard?
What's what tightens up, and then it's good.
Now you need to figure out where you're gonna put it so it doesn't land here.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yeah, because this is not gonna go anywhere.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's not gonna go anywhere?
Like
when it.
Worry about this hitting this.
Oh yeah, because it's gonna go at the same.
Really all stuck. Yeah, stiff.
It's gonna be more worried about the top because it's gonna
'cause
get closer to the top.
Yeah, because this goes up and down.
Yeah.
So actually, yeah, that should go.
Let's see.
Do more body work. There we go.
All right. Ahí quedó.
You just gotta bleed these motherfuckers.
No, we still gotta do that side, then bleed.
Yeah, true. Not bad. Let's tighten this up.
Ahí está. Ahora empezar en el otro lado. Ahora sí hacer este lado. Ya este lado va a ser más fácil porque ya ese lado pues trial and error.
Yeah.
Nomás soy la chalana. Me aburro de hacer nada.
Cállate.
Te lo juro.
Ok, pues quítalo pues.
Por favor. Okay. ¿No lo vas a barrer como yo?
No.
¿Qué es? ¿15? How the fuck? ¿Cómo lo barrí entonces?
No.
It was probably the other rotor.
Nah, that's probably already fucked up. Probably someone had already tried to do it. Maybe. Nah, it was probably. For sure.
Don't try to be nice now.
Should we take this off or not?
Pues sí, si lo quitaste del otro lado, ya quítalo de este lado.
Chingada su madre.
Ni tardaste nada para quitarlo, tú también.
Because I still gotta cut in here.
Yeah, you do. So it just makes sense.
Yep.
Because the guys, what?
Cut off the fucking brackets of the emergency brake, so I'm not on the emergency brake.
He could have had emergency brake.
Could've, yeah.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Pero les valió madre y cortaron los brackets. But you could have added the brackets again, no? O ya te dio hueva.
Yeah, ¿para qué?
Yeah.
Or Hawaii.
Hawaii, bye bye.
Yeah.
Pues, a la madre, aggressive and shit.
Type shit. Sometimes you gotta be like that.
True. One time, like, how long ago was this? Remember the fucking... Yeah, that shit flew. It was a car we were doing. It was a Ford Fusion. That we were changing, I think, the ball joints.
Okay.
No, the lower control arms? I don't remember what it was. Something within those lines.
Yeah. Okay.
That me and Alec were doing, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And Carlos had left. And, like, we couldn't get that bitch out. Like, because you know how you have to kind of, like, bang it so it could, like, come out? We were fucking banging it. Like, and Carlos over here was like, y'all are fucking dumb, this and that.
I didn't say you're dumb. Don't fucking lie.
What did you say?
I said
fucking bang it.
Yeah, I said just hit it. I said just hit it.
Oh my god, y'all don't know how to do nothing.
I didn't even say that either.
You probably did.
I said just hit it hard.
Yeah, he did keep telling us to hit it hard, and we're like, we can't do it. And then me, that's when I was still barely starting on suspension stuff. I don't think I was doing that much suspension yet. If any, I still don't. And then so I was like, what's too hard? Like, what is too hard? So I was scared, and I was hitting that hole like, bam, 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 bam. And then I'm like, I don't know. Like, what if I fuck something up, you know? And then Alec, his nephew, well, he's a man and he's a little bit stronger, so he's going at it too. And we're like, bro, this shit is not coming out. And Carlos couldn't do it because he wasn't here. We were like talking to him on the phone. And then Carlos pulls up finally. So me and Alec just continue other work while we're waiting on that, right? Carlos pulls up. Bang, 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 that shit out. I'm like, bitch. He's like, I told y'all to fucking... No, it wasn't one blade. Calm down. No, the fucking wasn't.
I just got here, pow, one time and one and done.
Okay, I'll let you tell it. Point, fact of the matter. I don't know where I was going with that. Oh, it's just, I just remembered that story. It was, after that, now I understand. But you see, that's why I hate fucking suspension work. Like, you always have to be banging shit, and then it's so fucking heavy. You have to hold the fucking axle up, or move this, or hold that, or even like sometimes just to change one upper control arm or lower control arm, you gotta remove a lot of other shit. And they're all heavy, and they're all tedious, and they're hard to remove because like really compacted, like, yeah, fucking. I shouldn't say I hate suspension work, but I do. I really, really do. But I'll do it. Just not my preferred.
Forte?
No. If I don't have to, I'd rather not. But if I have to, I have to.
Just one?
Yeah. Okay.
I told you, use the other side. It's gonna have to be manual.
Yuck. Ew, there's not a better tool for this?
Yeah. Shallow sockets.
This one?
Nah, yeah, well, it's one like that, but no, it's actually.
You know what I'm gonna get? Estamos batallando de okis. Look, batallando de okis, te digo. ¿Sí es todo? ¿Sí le quitaste todo, verdad?
Yep, double check.
I did. El caliper. Hijo de la verga.
That's two. No, that's three.
3. Me salaste.
That's three.
Fuck you.
Yeah, don't show my fingers because they already made fun of my fingers, so I went like that.
They made fun of that one though.
Fuck you.
They did. Es que este pinche chingadera no me gusta tanto.
Do you have the tornillos?
They're right here.
You want me to do that part?
Yeah. You forget that I'm not stronger. Tiene mucha pintura dentro.
Mm-hmm.
Like a lot. And you didn't think about covering those holes, huh?
I did.
Let me see. Did you? Mm-hmm. Did you? Let me see. Let me see. No, the fuck you did not. Look at all that paint. Told you it was hard. It wasn't just me, right?
God damn.
And you can't just do it with a fucking...
You can, but you can run the risk of fucking snapping that hole.
Oh, and that's what you don't
Yeah,
want.
I don't want to.
Oh, yeah, because of all the paint.
Remember the whole, I tell you, like, feel. You have to feel it.
Oh, are you remembering my fuck up that they don't know about?
It's okay.
We're not gonna tell them about my fuck up. One day. One day.
What the fuck do you mean?
One day we'll tell them. Not today.
Go up, go down.
You Brembo boy.
Yeah, you see?
Tú sí le tienes maña.
Más o menos. You got it? He's tiring,
My
right?
shoulders.
Yeah.
It hurts your shoulders. You see, I don't need to go to the gym today. I'm doing a shoulder exercise right now and a lot of cardio. That's the same from Jaime's set.
Yeah.
So, in Jaime's set,
Fuck Jaime.
some are quarter and some are 3/8.
3/8.
And then half also?
Yep.
Wow, I'm gonna tell Jaime. Que no me la hago ya, fuck you, I'm gonna take my school bag.
Take that home, you fuck. He was trying to take it already.
He did?
Yeah. I told him to take it. He took the red one.
What, you don't let him take it?
He could take it. The
Oh, he
fuck?
did?
Yeah. He took the red one.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even notice. This one
Yeah.
has the good stuff. Sorry, Jaime, that's the truth. But he already took a lot of the good stuff, too.
No, I ain't got nothing. Fuck that nigga.
Don't even act like he doesn't have good tools.
Fuck that fool.
Wow. Te voy a decir, I'm gonna post that on the video. And then
Me vale verga. Fuck you.
I'm gonna fucking...
Oh shit.
Look, guys, you gotta make sure you put the brake pads on this side, like this. So you could burn your...
Rotor?
No.
Metal to metal?
No, yeah, there you go.
Oh. Yeah, just a little bit.
Se chorreó.
Where?
Ven, cuando se juntan tanto con mecánicos, is there something y'all know about Mexican mechanics? They're the most, what would you
Perverted?
call- Yeah, they are.
First of all, I'm not perverted. I don't do that.
With them you are.
Nah, not. But
Yeah.
well, okay, because I'm around guys. Like with girls, like, pues I try to respect.
Obviously, they don't do it with me either.
Mm,
They don't,
okay.
but they do it amongst each other.
Yeah.
And I just hear them. And I would play around back, but no, I have to be a woman. They're gonna take it literally. Do this and then that. No, it's okay, Still not gonna fit. I found my beauty sponge.
What the fuck? That's the fucking brake,
I don't give a
brake pads.
It's already all over my fucking face. Was it
Nah,
different?
let me see.
Did I clean it?
Actually, you did.
Yeah, I told you. ¿Qué? Final? The 3 and 4 is somewhere there. Or you don't want to use the 3 and 4? Are you sure? Yeah, nomás we gotta bleed the brakes, put the rims on, and then we can finally see it with the fucking calipers. One, 2, 3, hold. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Raining. A ver. A ver, go.